If you're trying to get your first tech job in the UK but have no experience, this video is for you.
The good news is that in 2026, many UK employers care more about your skills and projects than years of experience. So, how do you get started? Step 1. Choose one career path. Don't try to learn everything. Pick one field, like full-stack development, cybersecurity, data analytics, cloud computing, or IT support, and focus only on that. Step 2. Learn the right skills. Use online courses, tutorials, and hands-on practice. You don't need a university degree to break into tech. You need practical knowledge. Step 3. Build real projects. This is what makes you stand out. Create a portfolio website, a simple web application, a data dashboard, or a cybersecurity lab. Projects show employers what you can actually do. Step 4. Create a strong LinkedIn profile and GitHub account. Upload your projects, connect with recruiters, and start building your professional presence.
Many recruiters search LinkedIn every day for entry-level talent. Step 5. Start applying. Don't wait until you know everything. If you meet around 60 to 70% of a job's requirements, apply anyway. Every interview helps you improve.
Start today. Keep learning. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe to Fortray Global, and I'll see you in the next video.